Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. You see me I say, now I have a video footage to show you of what really take place in 12 lane. You see me I say, this is 12 lane of 12 road, Whitehall Avenue, St. Andrew, Jamaica, of course. You see me? And this video contains of one set of family against another set of family, and there's a lot of questions being asked. Even viewers and some of my non-viewers, my subscribers, I should say, want to know what really take place. Anyways, this video contains some bad languages and stone flinging and them things. I'm gonna have to make sure I'm telling you that some of the scenes in this video is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Oh, blood clot this! Yeah. Biggie you video cause you're pregnant. Biggie you blood clot video cause as much to pass not to water Richard. Me tired of it. Every time my grandmother pass, we don't have blood clot and the things. Make AJ stop me. Making up a cripple blood clot things cause Magia pass, she get bad dirt to water.
Silver me tell mama
Biggie
when you're ready. When you're ready. Mr. When your blood clot ready.
Everybody come down.
When you're ready.
Excuse. Cause Magia get it back.
Make it start.
Get it back. Come for the gun. Hurry up and pass.
Pass. Let her tie up. Fling it on her.
Anybody a pass. Why you leave my grandmother for?
Stop your mother. Start it. Start it.
Mama,
put on the kettle.
And don't blood clot run. Don't run. Mess your pass. Mess your pass. You know what? Come. Magic pass.
Come. Come, pussy.
My girl, I won't go around here, sir.
Come for the gun.
Yo, I won't go around here, sir.
Magic
Yo.
pass.
Hear me, sir. Hear me.
Bring him up on magic
Come.
Yo.
Biggie weird. Biggie make him fling you. Break it. Break it. Break it, AJ. AJ. Mommy move, mommy. May make AJ fling. Me and video. Mommy don't play. Me go burn up here. Me go burn you up here. AJ, you go see. AJ, you go blood clot. AJ, you go see what I'm gonna do. Go show the pussy. Mommy, see you. Mommy done. Mommy done. Call the police them. Call the police them. Call the police them. AJ, we don't have gun, AJ, but remember, you're going like a dog pussy. We are Bruno. We are Bruno. I put the station. I put the station. Let go, kill what you did. Don't put them what you. I say you got that pussy. We are going to put them blood clot up down. We are going to put him down. We are going to put him down.
What am I put? Yes, my book. Call the kid and rest of a big book for me.
We are going to put him down.
The road block. Me not sleep tonight.
You live up and off with you now. I know never come out.
AJ chat me right here, son. Him chat me right here, son.
You're sick with the head and even pay the blood clot bill. And they done them that. Me and my blood clot, me say.
Look come over. I'm a bad people come on. Up in the lane, them leave. Up in the blood clot, I'm sleeping there now. I'm sleeping now. But don't want to blood clot sleep.
AJ, it can put him back. AJ can put him back. AJ can put him back. My dog. But the police turn a car, everything at the pan.
If we're going to continue with the loud uproar and all them something, we're going to charge them with this other conduct and we're going to go court with it. Everybody we are going with them stage show appearance. Now, friend, look at that. Good? They are now come to hear what I'm going.
Who did not talk?
Ladies said somebody. Hello, ma'am.
Sir, I don't even a famous one. Mr. Kiasi, my bed. Sir, I'm a baby, me a old, sir. Sir, I'm a video. Marie, we can't let no car. No, we're not. All him looking. All him. Officer, can I say something? I was inside the officer. I have proof, officer. Can I talk? Marie, I say we have proof in a court house, Kawa. You are going to tell lie for me, Marie. Me, I will show you some Marie. God, nasty Marie. I'm talking to officer. Yes, sir.
So, you're going to
No, because you will tell lie for me. You come here and tell me. Make them kill me up. Bully baby. I afford them to fix it. If I let the car afford them to fix it. One leave. I saw the stone and fling back. You come to car now. Vida them, don't take it off. Vida them. Yeah. Oh no. My face, alright. Everybody gone up.
If you listen from the start, you can actually understand what really are going on. The youth out the door where you see a fling a different theme family, and the girl we see in here so where both say she got throw dirty water or something like that, she a different fear family. You see me? She said she tired of it, and that sound like it's a long time thing a go on. Like if you know my shop I can't all years. You see me I say to you? Now, I don't know me and my viewers and subscribers to show what really are going, because this 12 lane thing, it's social media big and everybody been talking about it. So I say, and for those who, you know, for the recap of it, this is actually a thing that take place at 12 lane off 12 road off Whitehall Avenue, St. Andrew, Jamaica. You see me? Now, my input on the whole of this situation, you see me, because we don't know Jamaican stay. We not take no disrespect and we don't want nobody disrespect our mother. You see me? But right about now, Jamaica they under high taxi turvy. You see me I say? I'm not really there so for do no blaming game. not blame anyone, you see me? But right now, no life, no loss. And you know, we know so certain damages might have, but nobody no get hurt, no life, no loss. So when we that cry right about now in this one is peace. You see me? But I cry peace. Because if you look at this video, you can actually see say one of the person that were involved in a confrontation actually post it. You see me? So my biggest saying to this, I say, is peace. You see me? I say, yes, me know embarrassment is a thing where, you know, embarrassment people, it really serious, you know, and I understand how that feel, because we are all human beings, you see me? But me, I'm more for cry peace right about now, you see me? Anyways, I don't know the thing go already. If you like how I present the video to you, just let me know what you think. So I say, I know with what me just say, a lot of people are going to disagree, but I just saw a thing goes. So I say, alright, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this way you just see is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Uno big up on yourself, is it? Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.